Hey guys, it's Eric, and so for today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you could make your very own animations on your TikTok. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, then here's an example right now. So that is what the animation looks like, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how you could make one as well. By the way, this both works for iOS and Android users, so if you're one of them, then keep watching. Also, if this is your first time watching me, then hello to you. My name is Eric, and thank you so much for watching me right now. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and also tap the bell to be notified whenever I upload new videos. And if you did that, let me know that in the comments, because maybe you'll win the next shout out for my next video. By the way, shout out to these people right here for turning on my post notifications and being active as always. Thanks to these fam, and now let's get on with the video. We're gonna get started with my iOS users first, so if you're one of them, then keep watching. And to my Android users, I'm gonna be starting my tutorial for you guys halfway from this video, or I'm gonna be leaving a time frame in the description for you guys to click on so you could watch the Android part of this video. And now back to my Android users. Before we get started, you're gonna be needing a few apps, and those apps are the TikTok app, the camera app, and also the animation app. I'm gonna be leaving all of the links in the description for you guys to click on so you can download those apps if you don't have them yet. And yeah, so for you guys, the first thing that you're gonna be doing is you're gonna be filming something like a dance or a slow-mo, whichever type of video that you want to add animation to. So just to save ourselves some time on this tutorial, I'm gonna be using this video that I made a few days ago, which is an aesthetic that I made for TikTok. If you guys haven't seen it, it is on my TikTok account right now, and the video looks like this. It's basically me just showing my trip to the Hamptons on the weekend, and you know, it's very nice, very cool, I like it. And I think we could add some animations into this video right here. So we're gonna be using this clip right here, and once you filmed anything, a slow-mo or anything like that for your TikTok, then the next thing that we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be going to the animations app. So let's go ahead and go into animations. When you open the app, it looks like this, like say hello to animation right now. Once you get into this page, you should see something like this. As you can see at the bottom right of your screen, there's a plus sign right there. We're gonna be clicking on that one, and we're gonna be clicking on video and photo library. Once you press on photo library, we're gonna be importing the video that you filmed for this animation, and for me it's gonna be this aesthetic right here in the top right. Once you have selected on it, just press on choose, and it's gonna take you to this page right here. It's basically making you type in a name for your project. Once you have typed in a name for your project, don't press on done yet. As you can see right here on our screen, it says 12 FPS. That is how much frames that we're gonna have in our video, and for this one right here, we're gonna want to have it like as high as possible. So I'm gonna be pressing the plus sign right here to make it go up, and the max for this one is 24 frames per second. So whatever's the max for you guys, we're gonna be pressing on that one and press on done. Once it is done loading, it should take you to this page right over here. As you can see, there's so many options in our screen. Just to give you guys a little tour on what this page has, as you can see in the top left, that is the home page. That is when you're gonna be going back into the home page. The second option, it is the color wheel, in which you're gonna be picking your brush colors, and the third one is just some options that you have right here, and the fourth one on the bottom left is when you play your video. So when you click on the play and click on play again, you should see your video right over here playing just like that. And everything to the right side of our screen is the brushes that are available in this app. You could use so many things on here, and for me, I'm gonna be using the default one, which is this one right here. So we're gonna be pressing on brush right here, and we're gonna be customizing it to whichever you guys want. And as you can see, you could change the size and everything like that. Once you have selected the brush size for your video, we're gonna be going ahead and going to the color wheel right here to the left, and we're gonna be picking a color that we want to use for this video. And for me, I think I'm gonna be using color white, because you know, basic right now. And another thing that you guys could do on this one is when you use your two fingers, you could actually zoom this in just like that, like you know, in and out, like you know, gonna eat that in and out right now. For this one, what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna make an outline for the ticket right here. As you can see, that's my ticket going to the Hamptons. And to do that, we're gonna be pressing on brush right here, and we're gonna be sliding this slowly just like that. And again, if you think that your brush is too big or small, you could always adjust it at any time by clicking the brush on the right side and just sizing this down just like that. So when you slide this down, it should look something like this. And then we're going to be pressing on the next sign on the bottom right, which is this one. to go into the next frame of our video. And as you can see, it leaves like kind of like a shadow mark in our video. As you can see, the white line is still there, but it's not that bright. It's just showing you the shadow of what you had in the previous frame, if that makes sense. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be doing the same thing. I'm gonna be lining it just like that, and then go to the next frame, and then sliding this down again, and then next frame again. And just keep going depending on what kind of animation you want to make for your own video. For me, I'm just gonna be sliding this just like that. So I'm gonna be doing mine right now, and I'm gonna be putting like a time lapse of me just creating this basically. And I'm gonna be showing you guys what I have at the end. So I just did a lot of frames right there, and when we press on the play sign right here in the bottom left, and we're gonna be going to the very front frame, when you play it, then you should have something like this. Did you guys see that? It's so amazing. It's like, wow, making animations right now. We're gonna be in Disney or something. As you can see, that is the animation that we just made. It is so cool. I know this is kind of like a lot of work because you have to do each frame of the video that you have. But trust me, once you did all of the animations that you want to do for your own video, this is gonna turn out so cool, and you're gonna be like, oh my goodness, what did I just make? Like some masterpiece right now. So yeah, that is the outcome of what we have so far. As you can see, that is really cool. You could do so many types of animations. You could do like a swirling lines in your body or something like that, or you could do something like floating clouds, or I don't know, there's so many things that you could do. My brain is like brainstorming right now. But once you guys think that you are done making your very own animations, to save your video, we're gonna be pressing on the home option in the top left. We're gonna be sliding down into our project, which is this one right here. As you can see in the middle bottom, there's a share option right there. We're going to be pressing on that one. It says export to, click on photos and video, and just press on next on the top right. For this one, we're just going to be pressing on 4:3 because, you know, we're going to be fixing our aspect ratio later on. Press on done and let it export. Once it is done exporting, we're going to be doing one last thing, and that is to remove the white bars in our video. Because if you guys check what video was just exported, there's white bars at the end of our video, and we don't want that to show on TikTok because our video is going to show up small, and we don't want that. To fix that, we're going to be going into our crop video, and for me, we're going to be using the video crop option. I'm going to be leaving the link to this app in the description if you guys need it. And once you get into this app right here, we're going to be pressing on the red button in the middle. We're going to be importing the video that we just exported from Animations app, and it's going to be this one right here. Click on the check sign. When you get into this page, we're going to be pressing on 69 at the very end, and when you scroll down, and press on 69 again to make it vertical, and for me it shows up just like that. Once you have done that, we're going to be pressing the top right option, which is the export button, and it is done exporting. One last thing is we're going to be pressing on save option right here to save it into our camera roll, and now we are set to go to finally upload this into TikTok. So just go into your TikTok app right now, and we're going to be pressing on the plus sign right here, and we're going to be clicking on upload, and just click on the video that we just exported from the crop app. And it's gonna be this one right here. As you can see, so cool right now. We're pressing on next on the top right, and next again. And guys, if you're gonna make your very own animation thingamajiggy, then be sure to put in the hashtag #SkyesFam so that I could watch your videos and hopefully feature them in one of my videos. I cannot wait to see what you guys came up with, and yeah. So that's pretty much it on how you can make your very own animations on TikTok for my iOS users. And so I hope you guys find this video really helpful, and if it did help you, then let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Also, if you guys have any questions or anything like that, then be sure to let me know down in the comments, and I'll try to answer them. If you have a TikTok and you don't follow me yet, then be sure to follow me at Life with Erick, and I'll see you guys there. And lastly, don't forget to follow me in all my social medias, and which the links will be in the down bar below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Okay, bye. Android time. Now it is time to teach my Android users on how you can make your very own animations as well. And yeah. By the way, before we get started, you're going to be needing a few apps, and those apps are the TikTok app, the camera app, and also the FlipaClip app. I'm gonna be putting the names of the apps in the description for you guys to click on so you can download them. And yeah, once you have all of those apps ready, then the first thing that we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be filming our video for TikTok. For this one, you could do so many things. You could do a slow-mo, you could do like a dancing video. It is up to you as long as you want to put some animation on them, I guess. Once you film some stuff, we're gonna be skipping that filming stuff because we're gonna be using some video that I filmed in the past. So in this video, we're gonna be editing this video right here. As you can see, this is the slow-mo that I posted on TikTok. If you guys have it on TikTok, it is Life with Erick. I'm just gonna be adding some animations into it, like, you know, drawing or something like that. So once you film something to add some animations, we're gonna be going ahead now and going into the app called FlipaClip. So just go into the app right now. Once you get into this page, it looks like this. As you can see, very nice right now. We're gonna be pressing the plus sign right here, and as you can see on the choose canvas size option, we're gonna be clicking on YouTube, and we're gonna be switching that into TikTok and just pressing the check sign right in the top right. And for the frames per second, we're gonna be changing that 12 into 30. So just scroll all the way down until you find 30 right there, and pressing the check sign as well. And for the name, just put anything, and for me, I'm just gonna be putting in and there you go. And once you have done that, we're going to be pressing on create project. Once your project has been created, you're going to be seeing this page right here. The first thing that we're going to be doing is we're going to be pressing on the three dots on the top right of our screen, and we're going to be pressing on add video. And from here, just import your video that you just filmed or anything like that that you're going to be posting for TikTok later on. And for me, it's going to be this one right here. And once this page loads up, just press on the check sign right here. And now it is importing our video. So once you imported your video into your project, you should have something like this. As you can see at the bottom, there's a lot of squares, and that is actually the frames of our video. As you can see, when we move along, you could see moving frame by frame, and that is the part where we can actually draw into ourselves in the video. So before we do anything else, we're going to be pressing on the pen option on the left side of our screen, which is the red one right here. And for the circle option right here, you could actually change the size of your marker or like your pen or something like that. And it is up to you if you want to make it like really small like that, or if you want to make it like very thick like that. For me, I'm just gonna make it into the size of this one right here. I think that should be fine. And for the square option right here, you could actually change the color of your pen. And for me, I'm gonna make it like probably light green to make it like, you know, like summertime or something. Once you have pressed on your favorite color, we're gonna be pressing on the X sign on the top left. Just a little tip for you guys, you could actually zoom this in just like that. If you guys think that you have big fingers or something like that, like me, you could just zoom in just like that, and then you could just start drawing like that, like, you know, like wow, run now. So for me, I think I'm gonna make like something like a swirl thing around my body or something like that, if that makes sense. I'm gonna try my best. I'm not really a good drawer, but like, let's try this right now. So I'm gonna start on my head just like this, and then I'm gonna go click on the second frame on the bottom, which is number 2. And as you can see, it makes that little bit of a shadow to show you guys what you had in the last frame, so you guys don't get confused when you're animating something. So for me, I'm gonna make the second animation just like that, and then to the third one, we're gonna be pressing number 3. We're gonna be doing the next thing like that, and then so on. So I'm gonna keep going on this animation thingy-majiggy, and I'm gonna be showing guys what I have at the end. So I just animated up to 39 frames of this video, and we're gonna be going back into the very beginning, and we're gonna be zooming out to see what we have so far. And for me, I have something like this when I play it. Whoa, did you guys see that? A lot of animations right there. It looks really cool when you play it. And yeah, as you can see, that's like 39 frames, and it just went on like boom in a second. I know there's a lot of work to do, and there's a lot of like frames in a video, but if you guys could draw or like you could do great animations, at the end of the day, when you export this, it's gonna look so good, and everyone's gonna be like shook, and they're gonna be like, how you make this right now? So that's a little bit of that. You guys could keep going if you like. You could do so many animations. You could do something like this, like what I did on here, or you could do like lines on the sides of yourselves or something like that. Or let's say when you're dancing, when you're going like, let's say like bam, when you do like that, you could add like lines right here or something like that. I don't know, it is up to you. So once you think that you are done making your very own animation, we're gonna be clicking on the back side on the left side of our screen, and we're gonna be holding on to our project, and as you can see there's a play button right there. We're gonna be clicking on that one, and for this one we're just gonna be clicking on make movie to export our video, and now our video is exporting. Once it is done exporting, then it should be automatically go into your gallery. One last step, and this is actually optional, and that is cropping your video, because sometimes for me I feel like cropping the video to make it censored or something like that. So I use this app. If you guys have seen my Android tutorials before, we've used this before. We're gonna be pressing on crop right here and click on photos and click on the video that we just exported from the animation app, and for me it's gonna be this one right here. And for me, I kind of just want to make myself like more bigger into the screen, and for me I'm just gonna be cropping it just the way it is right here in our screen, and we're gonna be pressing the check sign right here. Once it is done exporting, just press on the check sign and it should automatically go into your gallery as well. So now let's go ahead and go into TikTok. Once you're on TikTok, we're gonna be pressing the plus sign right here and click on upload, and we're gonna be pressing on the video that we just exported from the crop thingy-majiggy, and for me it's gonna be this one right here. As you can see, this is how our video look like. It is so good. Like, what is this right now? Just press on next right here and press on next again. And guys, if you're gonna make your very own animations, then be sure to put in the hashtag #SkyesFam so that I could watch your videos and hopefully react to them in the future or feature them in one of my videos. I'm so excited to see your videos, so be sure to put them hashtags so I could see them. So that's pretty much it on how you can make your very own animation for TikTok, and so I hope you guys find this video really helpful, and if it did help you, then let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Also, if you guys have any questions or anything like that, then be sure to let me know down in the comments and I'll try to answer them. If you have a TikTok and you don't follow me yet, then be sure to follow me at Life with Erick, and I'll see you guys there. And lastly, don't forget to follow me in all my social medias and which links will be down bar below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Okay, bye.
Mario!